Hey guys, my name's Max. I was on the phone earlier with one of your guys and they texted me your email address and said this is the right place for this video. So let's jump right into it. The general gist of this video is to show you 3 easy ways that you can start ranking over your competitors in Google for select key terms that are being searched by your customers every month. I know that these particular key terms are being searched every month because I use this software called Ahrefs, and it shows me that there's 430 searches every month for painting contractors in Temecula. Now I understand that you guys are in Wrightwood, however Temecula has a lot more search volume and is going to be able to make you guys a lot more money. And I can show you that here just using some simple math. Okay, so if we have 430 people searching for painting contractors in Temecula every month, about 30% of those click on one of these first 4. So the organic listing number 1 and these top 3. That's an extra 129 people on your website every month just by ranking in the top 4. About 40% of those end up giving you a call or entering their information through a lead form if you have the right setup website. So that's an additional 50 people contacting you every month wanting estimates on painting projects. And I can just let you do the rest of the math to see, your average close rate and then your average job profit. But even if you're only closing 50% of those and your average profit is only $750, that's still almost an additional $20,000 of sheer profit every month just from ranking in these top 4 positions here. Okay, so I'm really going to show you those 3 main ways how you can overcome SoCal Paints, because they're your number 1 competitor here in Google. And so we're going to take their website here, and I will first start off with the content. So if we copy everything that you see here, including what their images are saved as and just every word on their homepage, and then we throw it into this word counter, you can see that they have 823 words on their homepage. And really Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and they would want these particular keywords on there in a strategic way. The reason Google wants so much content is because they view your website as a contributor to their platform, and so the more content that you have, they kind of see it as you're contributing to more people to be on their platform. And so in return, they'll rank your website for whatever they think it is relevant to. So if you had 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, you would have over double your competitor. Google would be happy, and they would start to rank you for what your content is relevant to. So if you had that amount of words and these exact match keywords, Google would rank you for what your consumers are searching for, and then you could start ranking in Google that way with your content. The next thing that I'm going to show you that'll help out is backlinks. And what a backlink is basically one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And so if we take their URL here and throw it into Ahrefs again, this shows me the back end of their website. And as you can see, they have 31 backlinks coming from 15 different websites. And that's not a whole lot. As you can see here, their trust rating from Google is a 0. So Google does not really trust these links that are coming in, and they're not passing a whole lot of power, as you can see either. Okay, so what that means is that whatever websites are linking to SoCal Paints, they're not very trusted websites, and they're kind of spammy. And so they're not really passing a whole lot of power because they don't have a whole lot of power to give. Okay, and just in case if you're a little bit confused as to what a backlink is, this right here is a link that goes to their website. And so if you had a link like this that went to your website and you put it on a painting blog post, or the local news channel was linking to you through a link like this, that's going to pass a lot of relevant power. Okay, but you want these on highly trusted websites and websites that have good health ratings here, because then they're going to be able to pass more power and relevance to you that way. Okay. The third and final thing that I wanted to show you has everything to do with getting you in this map pack. And what that is citations. And all a citation is just a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp or BBB or even Facebook. And this just kind of verifies that you're a real business and that you have a physical address with a physical number and that you're not just some website. Okay, this in turn allows Google to verify that you're a real business, and then they can start ranking you because you have a lot of those citations throughout the web. So it's kind of like votes that you should be in this map pack. Okay, so that's really all that I have for you today. I wasn't able to find you guys' website, and so I couldn't analyze it and break it down to compare. However, if you are looking to build a website, I highly suggest that you build it in this way. That way you can start ranking and have your website working for you. But again, all I ask in return is just a little bit of feedback. Either reply to this email or text or call me. My name's Max, M-A-X, and my number is 850-838-6092. So thank you guys. Bye.